Hey Bunny, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new. My name is Honey and I post new videos every single Monday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So please hit that subscribe button and join the family. This is amazing, beautiful, inspirational place and also a very mind relaxing place that we just like to stop by sometimes when we're in the informal settlements of Namibia. To be specific, this place is located in Havana, in Mex Mutongolume. Basically, this is a story of how Tate Shambwangala, the owner of this place, basically used recycled goods and his talent and his passion for plants and agriculture to basically come up with this amazing garden that is made of recycling goods. The entire garden is literally made of recycled goods. The story is amazing. It's motivational. So please enjoy the video because you will.
All of the sudden I'm in the interview. Honey, please. So with the garden story, it was on 2016. So I came in window and somewhere there, the structure somewhere there in front. It's my sister's house. It's where I stayed like almost for 3 to 4 years. So then I start developing the feeling of just come up something, especially something that I can do with my own hands. Showing up your talent or something that you could do to inspire other people, especially people of this area. And I just started to correct some of these small cans or bottles that you see. Some of these bottles, they are recycling material like this one is for coke and the other one is for other things I don't know. But I just make use of them just to blend some of my different seeds of as you can see that this is guava, this is mango, this is what, so different types like that. So it wasn't easy for me it was not really easy for me to start because the beginning is always difficult.
Yes.
So people out there, they are also coming in to demoralizing me. Hey, Brotman, what are you doing with these things?
And you are a
They are
male
part of
also.
waste, and you are taking them back to your
Yeah.
place. You not identifying the area. Then I say no.
I know.
I won't listen. For me, I was just said that mind of saying no. I'll make it because it's what I believe in. So I, as time goes, so you find that I managed to grow like this is mangoes.
Wait. Yeah.
Yeah, in this case mangoes, and I was only focused on only one type of plants. I did not know that there are other types of plants that are able to grow in this type of soil, like
Small
we have
things.
locusts. Yeah, so then later on, I have to test all of the seeds, like all of the things that I see now that they are happy and they are growing. So then some people also have to come and see the place now that, oh, the place is looking so beautiful.
Some people
We
like
really
us.
like what we are doing, brother. So keep it up. And they are also giving me a courage of saying that no, the more you are doing this, you may find that some people will also do, some people will also come to copy from you, and then it will explore or it will go like the whole of this Maxton Tongo. Then as a result, we may no longer have people dying of hunger or complaining of not having food in their houses. So we even had some workshop with few numbers of community members of this area where I taught them to be self-dependent. So it's not only about gardening, it's about many things that you do in life. So, but what I have really find out from everybody else in this place after I gave workshop and all the classes is that most people they really good in agriculture. They also see that it's easy for them to collect cane like this one, and they can now transform it into another thing that they grow food by themselves and they would eat with their families. So then many people begin to come and see the place, like Timo that so he's one of my
Customers.
customers.
Your motivators.
Yes, he has been coming many times telling me, no, Chico, please, I like what you are doing, and I also used to try something at my place where I'm staying. But one day, I will invite you to come and help me out because I also want to do the same like you did yours. So they keep coming, and they also keep conveying the message to other of the friends that no, guys, if you can come with me one day. So, so I'm in friendship with one guy. His name is Tatishamgagala, staying at the informal areas at Max. So he has something very interesting. So he's growing vegetables, he's growing everything like tomato and planting some of this type of plants. So then I meet a lot of people from just through him. So then we came to know with other people like I can say Memefeni. Yeah, that lady. So she's a very very active lady, very friendly. She's a good woman, I can say. So they are always coming in large number, yeah, as friends. And we stay there, that open space. We enjoying funny and sharing stories as families. We are now like families.
That's how it became a pact for
Yes,
families.
yeah. And like the lady who just went now, her name is Konyopi. She's also working with development workshop. So it's for a long time now that we are friends. That's the same way I know Patrick. So we introduced to each other. So we even came from the same religion, by the way. We are, yeah? Yes. So now this time we are just staying together most of the time. We can even organize to have lunch together. We can even say tomorrow we go for exercising. Anyway, so meaning that it's not only to say because of the garden, but that's how friendship sometimes can also bringing people together. So, and that's how life should be. So that's the few words I have to share with you. You still need more. What now?
Thank you. That was really nice. Thank you so
I
much.
also appreciate. So thank you very much.
Okay.
And yes,
Hopefully people will come here.
You know what I'm saying, guys? If you need moral support, get out of your walls, get out of your cages, get out of your gated communities. This is where the really, really soul
Fresh air.
is, and your soul is just like a plant. It also needs to be nourished, with good sunshine and water and fertilizer, manure. Yeah, come on, man. Like, just get out and relax. Come learn about what other people are doing. The perception is that people in informal settlements are poor, they are lazy, and they are hopeless. But look at this. It's defying every perception, everything people say about people that lives here. You can see all this creativity. It's a little piece of land, but somebody is really making so much out of it. And this is actually going well with all the sustainable goal development and
Development goals.
development goals. These recycled materials. There is urban agriculture. There is collecting of rainwater. There is powering your house with solar energy. So there's so many things, and these were all created by a family, no background of tertiary education, higher learning education, but it's just the creativity and the curiosity, I think, of their mind, and really that their dreams are also valid. It doesn't matter where they are. You don't have to live in Paunis Park for you really to have a beautiful house with a garden and thing. You can still have yours. There's a very beautiful mountain. Say I hike, used to hike somewhere there, and people can that live here can also do it. So it's just I think change of perception and the paradigm. I know there are many people that live in informal settlements and they believe that they are poor and they believe that only somebody from outside can save them. But they need to really understand that this is just a notion. They are not poor. They are very, very, very rich in thoughts and skills. So they just need to explore themselves and really just challenge the dependency syndrome that is limiting their creativity. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Tua. Thank you so much. It was nice having you.
You're welcome, honey.
It was nice poking your brain.
Okay, now I have to rest, guys.
Okay, let's
I
continue showing around.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Okay, guys, so that was Tate Shampangala. He's the owner of this beautiful place here where we just like to come chill and sit and talk stories. So, yeah, you are very welcome to come visit, come see plans, come see ideas, come play with your kids, stuff like that. So, okay, thank you for watching. Bye.